Hi guys, it is me again. I'm gonna record my baby bird's feeding process. I think you've seen them eat before, but not a full recording session of it. So let's get started. Have them under the sheet here. See it right there in the nest. Hi guys. You can see all three of their heads are. Huh? That one right there, the big one, is getting feathers. You can see. Still have my little syringe here. See? Filled with mushed up cat food. Disgusting? Yes, I know, but still, it's healthy for them. So what I'm trying to do is let's there's a runt in here. This one is a runt right here. He eats a lot. Well, not much. Anyways, the worms do make them grow, but this is good protein for them. What are you doing? This guy I had a little bit of trouble with because he moves everywhere, which he's not supposed to. But he's good right now. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Stay right there. There you go. The little one right here, you can see, he is getting his feathers a little bit, but they are not coming in as fast as I want them to. Oh, no, it's alright, it's alright. I'll stop you. Now, I may not let these guys go, because I will have them in a cage. I know some of you may disagree with that, but I already fall in love with these birds, because I can't let them go. I can't. It's too hard for me. My mother had the same opinion. She had the same answer, too. She said we'll get them in a cage, and when they grow up... I don't know if these are robins yet. I don't know. These are bigger than I expected. This is bigger than I expected right there. See, they're hungry. Ouch. See if they're hungry at all anymore. Also, if you want to play Into the Dead again, just let me know. Comments below. Come on, guys, you still hungry? There you are. I know you'd be hungry. I knew you'd be hungry. Yep. See, it comes on like a string like this. A string like. Come on, focus camera. It's not like a little string. You still hungry? I just fed you like a whole can food. Whole can. Not exactly, but Also, I may in the series take care of bald eagle, because there's a bald eagle down around here in the backyard. I'm not going to show you because it is pretty hostile, and it will attack you. It is starting to trust me a little bit, but I don't know yet. It is starting to trust me a little bit. I'm feeding it at least, but I'm not going to record it because it will attack me if I get too close. What I didn't expect yesterday when I saw it was an egg. Because I'm feeding it, I'm gaining its trust, so I may actually get close enough to record. But I'm kind of scared too. If I do, you'll see the video. Trust me. Or I'll go live. You will see that video. Trust me. Back to these guys. So, what I do sometimes is I take them out and I rearrange the nest, for them to get more comfortable. Which I'm going to do right now. I know they're kind of cozy right now, but I'm going to have to move some of these guys. I mean, they're comfortable in their own way, but still, I have to get these guys in more comfortable. I'll try to get them as all cozy up as I can possible. Sure, it was good enough. But I would usually take them out and take them out and put them in something else soft, and then rearrange the whole nest as in a circle, like as they usually would, and put them in there. But this is a handmade nest, my own creation. So, if you guys want to see another video of these guys with feathers and all that, just let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon and leave a big fat like on this video if you love it. Alright, peace out everybody. Goodbye.